How to turn off SafeSearch mode on Google. This tutorial shows you how to disable content filtering in Google search results on Android. First, open the Google app on your device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right. From there, tap on Search Settings. At this point, tap on SafeSearch. In the next step, you'll see options like Filter, Blur, and Off. Following this, select Off to fully disable SafeSearch filtering. Once done, tap Save if the option appears to confirm your choice. From here, keep in mind if you're signed in to a school or work account, this setting may be locked by an administrator and can't be changed. At this stage, in that case, you'd need to search using a personal Google account instead to disable it. Keep in mind, this setting applies specifically to Google search results and won't affect content filtering on other apps or platforms separately. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've confirmed SafeSearch is turned off. And that's it. Will your guide help you turn off SafeSearch mode on Google? Give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.